Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place values, and the lessons we're going to cover today are convert between place values, convert from expanded form, convert between standard and expanded form, and place value word problems. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, so here I'm on grade 3 math. The chapter we are on is place values. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is convert between place values. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so the first example is how many hundreds equal 500 ones, right? So you have 500 ones. How many hundreds they have? They have five hundreds, right? Because when you have 500 ones, that means the hundreds you have is 5. You have 500s, right? The next one is 20 tens. How many hundreds do you have in 20 tens? The correct option is 200s, right? 20 tens means 200s. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 500 ones equal how many hundreds? So just understand the question. You have 500 ones. So how many hundreds do you have? Already when you read the number, you have 500s, right? So that means you have 500s, right? The correct option is 500s. The next one is 8 tens equal how many ones? 8 tens equal. The correct option is 80 ones. The correct option is 80. 8 tens means 80, right? So you have how many ones? 80 ones. The correct option is 80 ones. 2 hundreds equal how many tens? 20 tens. The correct option is 20. Very good. 2 hundreds equal how many? Sorry. 400 ones equal how many hundreds? The correct option is 4 hundreds. The correct option is 4. 700 tens equal how many thousands? The correct option is 7 thousands. The correct option is 7. 6 thousands equal how many ones? 6,000 equals 6,000 ones. The correct option is 6,000. 1,000 equal how many hundreds? 1,000 equal 10 hundreds. The correct option is 10. Please write the answers once. Do not create the mess. Otherwise, I will block you. 3 tens equal how many ones? 3 many tens equal 30 ones? The correct option is 30. Write the answers once. If you cannot see your answer, hold on. 20 tens equal how many hundreds? 20 tens equal 200s. The correct option is 200s. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert from expanded form. Okay, what is 300 plus 50 plus 8? So basically that is the expanded form when you have written the numbers with an addition sign, right? And they tells you the place value of the numbers 300. 300 means 3 is the digit at the hundreds place, right? You can see here 300 is 3 hundreds. 50 means the digit at the tens place is 5. And 8 is 8 ones, right? Writing in different form, you have so many ways to write the numbers, right? You can write like this 358, right? And you convert it into expanded form like this 300 plus 50 and plus 8, writing in different forms, right? Change from this form to this form. So you guys are just in grade 3, I am your teacher, so you can call me teacher. 358 means 300 means that is the digit that is at the tens place. 50 means 5 is the digit at the tens place. Basically the digits tells you the place value of their place value, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is 7000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 9? Which is the correct option? Which is the digit you make from these numbers? Seven thousand is the digit at the thousand. 7,000 means 7 is the digit at the thousands place. Then you have 8 is the digit at the hundreds place. Then you have 3 at the tens and 9 at the ones. Very good. That is 7,839. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is 900 plus 20 plus 2? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 922. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. What is 30 plus 7? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 37 it is. Option number 2 is the why you write messages more than once. Answers. Just write the answer once. What is 10 plus 6? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the second one, 16 it is, right? What is 7,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 4? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number 1 is the correct option. What is 4,500 plus 50 plus 3? Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 30 plus 6? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 36 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 4000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7, which is the correct option? That is the second option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, right? And the next one is the next lesson is convert between standard and expanded form. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. That is the same lesson we just did. You just have to convert from standard to expanded and expanded to standard, right? What is 1000? Write the answers once. What is 1000 plus 300 plus 5 in standard form? Which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 1305. You can see with 305 you don't have any tens digit over here, right? So that means obviously then tens digit is 5. The correct option is 5. The correct option is 1305, right? What is 1900 plus 20 plus 5 in standard form? Which is the correct option? That is option number 2, 1925. What is 5000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 9? That is the 5 to option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is 5000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 4 in standard form? Which is the correct option? That is option number 1 is the correct option. What is 2000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 4 in standard form? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1, that is 2194 is the correct option. What is 9000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 1? Which is the correct option? That is option number 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is the last lesson from the chapter, and that is place value word problems. So let's just start with the lesson. What's wrong with the link? Okay, what number has 8 tens and the same number of ones as tens? So which is the correct option? Just read the question carefully, understand the question, and you will get your answer. You are given what number has 8 tens, right? You are given, you have the tens digit is 8, right? And the same number of ones as 10. So if the tens digit is 8, the ones digit is, Can you guys please stop chatting? The correct option is 88. What number has two tens and five more tens than ones? Which is the correct option? 27 it is. Five tens and four more than tens. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 57. Sorry, 59 it is. What number has nine tens and three fewer ones than tens? Which is the correct option? Six option. What number has three tens and one fewer one than tens? Which is the correct option? Thirty-two. It is option number one is the correct option. What number has five tens and two more ones than tens? Which is the correct option? That is 57. Option number one is the correct option. 1 10 and 8 more ones than 10. So that is 19. Option number 1 is the correct option. What number has 6 tens and 2 fewer ones than tens, which is the correct option? 64 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Seven tens and no ones, that means 70 it is. What number has 2 tens and 4 more ones than tens, which is the correct option? 26 it is. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is place values. We have convert convert from expanded form, convert between standard and expanded form, and place value word problems, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.